continue with our series Supply Chain Masters. Previously, we saw how Asian Paints saves 5,000 crores by cutting down middlemen. We will explore how you can maximize profit by using quick commerce model and the direct-to-Kirana model, strategies that HUL is now adopting. For years, HUL operated on a traditional supply chain model. But as competition intensified, HUL made a bold move by cutting down the middlemen. A small change in demand at a retail store can cause a massive reaction across the supply chain, leading to excessive inventory and losses. To tackle this, HUL adopted the Kirana model. HUL is now directly supplying their products to the Kirana stores in Mumbai and also expanding it to Delhi and other cities. This shift is a strategic masterstroke for three reasons: fast delivery, solving credit issues, and outpacking quick commerce. By reducing dependencies on wholesalers and distributors, HUL can increase margins and control prices just like Asian Paints did on their past. Quick commerce is an ultra-fast e-commerce model that delivers goods in 10 to 30 minutes. Example, Blinkit, Zepto, and Instamart. How does quick commerce work? Quick commerce follows a D2C model where brands store their products in micro warehouses near customers, enables real-time inventory tracking and faster deliveries. Why are brands choosing quick commerce? No middlemen, that means more money for brand. Micro warehouses reduces transportation expenses. Customer trust brand with transparent pricing and product details. Case study of KLF Oil. KLF Oil, despite having one factory in Kerala, generates 250 crores as their annual income without a traditional retail presence. Let's know how. The answer lies in quick commerce. No reliance on supermarkets, partnership with Blinkit and Zepto, and having micro warehouses across South India for faster delivery. What can business learn from HUL and quick commerce? Adopt D2C model. Sell directly to the consumer, cutting down unnecessary costs. Use micro warehouses to reduce delivery time and optimize stock. Partner with quick commerce platform or build a faster logistics network. Showcase product details, certifications, and reviews to build credibility. HUL Kirana model plus quick commerce networks is a wake-up call to the entire FMCG industry. With faster delivery, lower cost, and smarter inventory management. The question is, will other FMCG giants follow or leave this behind? Drop your thoughts on comment section and let us know what you think.